Hello, and welcome to another ToyMatt unboxing. This episode, we've got the Transformers Power of the Primes, or Prime Wars, Grimlock, Voyager class size. Standard Voyager class, Power of the Primes packaging. So we got Grimlock. His Grimlock is Dinobot, not Dinobite, but he does have the big jaws that can bite you. Dinobot, Enigma, and then two Prime Armor pieces. Looking at the sides, this art's pretty interesting because it's got kind of some horns or maybe a crown. I'm thinking more horns in the shape of a crown on Grimlock. That's pretty neat. Taking a look at the back, 8 transformation steps. That's not a lot. We'll take a look at that in a second. Standard back, robot mode, alternate Dinobot mode. So yeah, let's get them open and let's take a look. Here it comes. And we got some instructions. And we've got his card. Onyx Grimlock channels his willpower to the spark of other bots. Alright. Plastic insert. Cardboard insert. And now to the battle with the tie downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, Prime Armor pieces. Dinobot Enigma. Tie down, get off me. And the man, the king, Grimlock. And plastic insert away. And plastic tie downs away. Alright, yep, we are familiar with these Prime Armor pieces that are going to be the feet on the combiner, which in this case is Volcanicus the Mighty. Boom. So then the Dinobot Enigma in silver with the interior red. Put that right down here. So we got Grimlock. Looks like a pretty good, pretty faithful reproduction. A little bit of head swivel, up and down a little bit. Nice satisfying clicks, ratchet in the shoulder. So we got elbow bend, some wrist, forearm, other elbow bend, rotation, the shoulder, goes fold in, ratchet the knees, knee/hip swivel, nice big feet to balance on. Pretty big disappointment that there's no weapon accessories. Grimlock historically has a double barrel blaster and a sword, but all we got is the Prime Armor pieces. The recommended or the intended way to use these, Enigma, is to place it on his forearms and use his claws. No, I think I'd much rather have the sword and the blaster. So we'll take these off. So let's take a look how he looks transformed. So here we go, transforming Grimlock. The packaging said 8 steps, so here we go. ToyMatt versus Grimlock in 8 steps or less. So we're taking the fists, folding them in, the forearms. He's got, let's see, it's the back. Tail piece is coming down. So that's going to be the tip of his tail. And then his tail comes together. It has a couple tab spots. All right. And then shoulders, straighten out his arms. Okay. Straighten out his arms and his chest. Becomes his dino hips. There's his feet. And closing the back wings, which are the chest. That tabs in. Did I miss anything? Well, that's it. Alright. So here we got Grimlock. He's got ball joints on his tiny little Tyrannosaurus arms. Mouth opens. Some head rotation. So in the back, on his back, you can open up here, and there's Volcanicus's head. So you are for later. Checking the back piece here. Did I miss this step in the transformation, I wonder? So if you do like this, I don't know. I guess this is going to be Volcanicus' part of his chest plate or something. I don't know. Because there's a big opening here. Or if does that? Don't see any steps in the transformation that address this. I don't know. Maybe I like a little bit open so there's not, you know, the gap, the apparent gap back here with the back of the legs. Yeah, I think I'll keep it like that. His hips are pretty high up. All in all, not too bad. I like the ball joints for the T-Rex arms. It does seem a little bit tail heavy. Tail heavy, that's a thing that I just made up. So yeah, here is Power of the Prime's Grimlock. Really easy transformation. I like this toy overall. I think I'm gonna keep. I'll keep them in Dino mode. So, what are your thoughts? You know, mention in the comments below, and join us next time on ToyMatt, where we take chew toys and have them take it to the ToyMatt.